In example 1 of section 8.2, we're going to be looking at how to determine if three sides form a triangle. Our directions tell us that state if the three numbers can be the measures of the sides of a triangle. And we're given three side lengths. We're given the side 3, 11, and 12. What I'm going to do when I work a problem like this is I'm going to line up my side lengths from least to greatest, which these are already done for us. I'm going to label the smallest one A. I'm going to label the next largest one B. And then the largest one I'm going to label as C. Now, in order to see if three side lengths are going to make a triangle, we have three criteria that needs to be met. The first criteria needs to show that the sum of A and B is going to be greater than C. The second criteria that needs to be met is that the sum of B and C is greater than A. And then the third criteria that needs to be met is that the sum of A and C is greater than B. Now, what I'm going to do in these three criteria is I'm going to replace any A that I see with 3. I'm going to replace any B that I see with 11, and then any C that I see with 12. So in the first criteria, I'm going to have 3 plus 11 greater than 12. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to sum up these numbers here. 3 plus 11, that's going to give me 14 greater than 12. And then what we do is we evaluate that inequality to make sure that it's a true statement. In this case, it is, so this one actually checks out. In the second criteria, we have the sum of B and C should be greater than A. So I take B, which is 11, I add C, which is 12, and that should be greater than A, which is 3. Now, when I take 11 plus 12, that's going to give me 23 greater than 3. And in that case, 23 is indeed greater than 3, so that one checks out. In my third criteria, I have the sum of A and C should be greater than B. So A is 3 plus C, which is 12, and the sum of those two numbers should be greater than 11. So 3 plus 12, that's going to give me 15 greater than 11. And indeed, 15 is greater than 11, so that one checks out. So because all of these inequalities do make true statements, it means that every one of these criteria is going to be met. And so the numbers 3, 11, and 12 make a triangle.